1st is actually me and Jake's anniversary, and today we make 7 years together. Yay! April Fools!
And happy anniversary!
Ooh! And if you guys want to hear something so cute, literally, I kid you not, I bought a card for our anniversary 2 months ago because it was BOGO. You know, like the Publix has those like BOGO coupon things. I'm like, oh, let me just get an anniversary card. And he ended up getting me, you buy your nails, baby. He ended up getting me the exact same card. We're 2 in sync. We're 2 in sync. Obviously, we're going to be celebrating like all week. Like, we got plans on plans on plans this week. It's a special day. What the heck? We should do ballet.
Give us $5 more for lottery. What do you want?
Okay. Like, let's skip on paying for valet. Let's walk across the street and use that money towards the lottery ticket. So, will I become a millionaire? Let's see. Look at sure my light guy. So this isn't the very glamorous part of my birthday week, but I want to be honest with you guys, kind of some things I've experienced leading up to my birthday weekend. So last week I had a cold. It sucked. But then I started feeling better, so we went out for our anniversary. I got my, you know, girl time of the month. That also kicked my butt. And yesterday I went to a restaurant, not the one I showed you guys, a different restaurant, which everything was fantastic except one thing I ate that I don't know if it's because it was raw, a lot of raw fish, and I got food poisoning today. So, moral of the story is the last week and a half has kicked my butt health-wise. Fingers crossed I'm good for tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday, which is the beginning of a birthday fun weekend. I'm so sick. It's Friday and tomorrow is my birthday. I pretty much was in bed all day. I was so sick that I had to cancel my dinner plans for tonight, which was a bummer. Let's go ahead and do our night skin care routine. All right, guys, I'm gonna have these on for 30 minutes. Probably just have a really chill, cozy night in with my man. And I will see you guys in the morning. Toodles. Good morning. It's my birthday and I'm with the girls. We're gonna go for a hot girl walk, which means just going for a long walk. I don't know, they call it hot girl walk. I'm gonna stick with it because why not? Yeah, we're gonna go for a walk. So this is where I took some birthday pictures. Thanks, Alexandra. We did 3 miles.
3 miles.
Woo-hoo.
Oh, you're smart.
Oh.
I actually did. I got the coquito donut.
Coquito. I love coquito donut. This was so much freaking work.
God.
Oh my gosh. The winning number is 28 and I turned 28 today. I won nothing. That's okay. Sushi, what do you think? Okay, so at the Coca-Cola store, okay camera, it's Coke, and it says Foodie Girly on it. How cool is that? Thank you, what a good birthday present. And now we're gonna go ahead and grab some dinner. I'm starving and our reservation is not till 6:15. So we're gonna grab a snack because we've been a little too active today. I got bao bun. Look at this beauty. I forgot about the paper. I'm gonna eat dinner in an hour. Everybody relax. Actually got to come a bit earlier, which is good because I was starving. Now we're gonna go ahead and order some dinner. He's laughing so hard because he just called me old as he took my pictures. Thank you so much. I called him old all the time. Ooh, look at this. Oh my god, this is a lot of food. Are we gonna eat all this?
You want to switch?
Nah.
It's your birthday if you want to.
We'll see. So, there's a little bit of spice. I love it. So you guys know how I was at the Salty Donut this morning. So if you didn't know, if you go to DisneySprings, they have the Salty Donut cheese and guava ice cream at the Salt and Straw, which is exactly what I got. What'd you get?
Chocolate chip.
What? Chocolate?
Mint chocolate chip.
And alright, today is barbecue day. We're gonna go see my family. We're actually on our way to go pick up my nephew. Oh look, he's coming! He's coming with us, yay! Oh hello! Are you happy you're going to grandma's house? Oh shoot, thank you for me. Oh my god.
Pincho de pollito, ¿sí? Mazorca.
Para que vean. Sí.
Ay, me encanta la morcilla. Ay, qué rico.
Yo odio la morcilla.
Bueno, ahora viene la salsa. Esta es para la papa picante.
Yo quiero el guiso pequeño, gracias, mamá.
Mira, y el suero.
El chimichurri para la carne.
El suero no joda con
Se me
la
achorra.
con la yuca y la botifarra.
Este es de arequipe.
Currently on our way to my brother's girlfriend's house to have some breakfast, and then we're all gonna go to Disney. Oh yeah, I have here my own. Yeah, it is Monday. It is our last day of the birthday celebration. If you made it this far, make sure to subscribe. I don't know why you haven't. If you make sure this far, comment. I'd love to know if you're also Messenger Princess. This is gonna be like my new favorite ride. That was so much fun. I wish I could have shown you guys, but they made a video of like no filming in here. It was kind of like an indoor somewhat roller coaster, and then you would go around like the moon. That was so cool. Highly recommend for you guys to do it. We waited about over an hour in line, but totally worth it. pretty good oh my god, pretty good end to the birthday celebration. This guac is so good. We're in Mexico. Look at this ginormous slice. This has been a day full of so many good eats, lots of sweats, and amazing rides. We're actually gonna go ride the last ride of the day, and then we're gonna go ahead and head home.
Amazing new technology that we hadn't known.